Let's see the tax return terminologies and the financial reporting of terminologies related to tax. First, let's see the tax return terminologies. And the first item is taxable income. This is the base on which the tax authority levies the tax. Okay, that is the taxable income. Next comes the taxes payable. Okay, this is the tax liability, okay, that the company has to pay, and it is shown under the current liability of balance sheet. Okay, that is the taxes payable, and it is calculated on the taxable income. Next comes the tax base. This is the net amount of asset or liability used for tax reporting purposes. Okay, then comes the tax loss carry forward. This is the tax loss of current or past which will be carried forward so that it can be adjusted or deducted from the future taxable income. Okay, so that is about the tax return terminologies. Next we will see the financial reporting terminologies. The first item is income tax expense. This is an income statement item, and the formula for this is income tax expense is taxes payable plus deferred tax liability minus deferred tax asset. Okay, and deferred tax liability is a balance sheet item, and it is created when deferred tax asset is created when the taxes payable is higher than the income tax expense. Then the deferred tax asset is created, and deferred tax liability is created when income tax expense is higher than the taxes payable. Okay, now we will see the valuation allowance. Valuation allowance is the deduction from the valuation allowance is the deduction from the deferred tax asset when some amount is not realizable. Okay, that is the valuation allowance. Now comes the permanent difference. Permanent difference is the difference between the taxable income and the pre-tax income, okay, which cannot be reversed in the future. Then comes the temporary difference. Temporary difference is the difference between the tax base and the carrying value. Okay, carrying value that can be reversed in the future by deducting it in the future income, or deducting it from the future. Okay, so, or future income. So that is about the temporary difference. And carrying value is the net amount of asset or liability value of the balance sheet. Okay, so that is about the financial reporting terminologies related to tax. That is about it for today's session. Thank you very much.